Okay, this is part 2 of my F250 seat repair. This is the second day. It's kind of prickly. So I got some 80 grit and some 180 grit. I'm just going to kind of work it. Kind of get the high spots, the prickly, oh look at that already. It's the prickly parts taken off, so it doesn't poke me in the butt. Don't like being poked in the butt. And you see, oh yeah, well, oh, it's already much nicer. I may not even have to use the finer grit. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's turning out nice. Matches the original color and everything. Look at that. Okay. Well, yeah. I'm gonna finish this off camera. I'll show you the results when I'm done.